Hello there. In this video we will show how you can enable the separate number row at the keyboard of this Doogee S98 smartphone. So let me show how does the keyboard look without the separate number line. Therefore, from here, if you want to enable it, you gotta go to the keyboard settings by either tapping on this gear icon, or you can also open up the general settings app. Here, scroll all the way down, open up the system category, languages and input, physical keyboard. Already, my bad. Of course, you gotta go for the on-screen keyboard, choose the Gboard. At the Gboard settings page, go for the preferences, and in here, just turn on this number row toggle. And as you will see now, that will effectively mean that you have successfully activated the separate number line on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.